DNA is like a blueprint that tells our bodies how to grow and function. It's made up of tiny molecules called nucleotides, which are like letters in a genetic alphabet. We inherit our DNA from our parents, and it determines many things about us, whether we're short or tall, what color our eye or hair is. Scientists use DNA to learn about how germs spread disease, how infection spreads during a pandemic, find out what food people ate thousands of years ago, and even solve crimes. Today, we will show you how you can isolate DNA at home in 5 easy steps. Here's what we will need to get started: a banana, dishwashing soap, water, surgical spirit and salt, toothpicks, spatula and a strainer, a few beakers and a plastic wrap. Before we begin, we will put the surgical spirit in the freezer so that it is very cold. Now first, we will peel a banana and put it in a plastic bag. Using our fingers, we will mash it into a juice. To reduce plastic use, you can also do this step in a bowl, but make sure to wash your hands well afterwards. Then we have to make our soap solution. The detergent in the solution will burst open the cells in the banana and release all its contents in the solution. To make this, we pour some water into a beaker or a glass and put 2 teaspoons of salt in it and mix well. Then, we will add around 20 ml of dishwashing soap in the solution and mix again, and your solution is ready. For the next step, we will slowly pour the solution into the bag containing our banana. We will mix the contents well with our fingers and wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will place a strainer on a beaker or a big bowl. We will slowly pour out the banana mix into the strainer and make sure you don't spill. We will let the liquid filter through the strainer. This can take some time, so be patient. We will now pour out some of the filtered liquid from the previous step into a smaller beaker or bowl. Remove the surgical spirit from the refrigerator for use. Without disturbing the liquid, we will pour some cold surgical spirit. Within a few minutes, we should start seeing a gooey whitish layer form on top. This is your DNA. You can spool the DNA out like a spaghetti using a toothpick. Ta-da! That's your DNA.